In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a Word document in Microsoft Word. Let's make sure your work is safely stored so you don't lose a single change. We'll keep it simple and clear, walking through what you click and why it matters, so you'll feel confident every time you save. First, with your document open in Microsoft Word, look toward the top left corner of the window for the File tab. It sits on the ribbon, alongside Home, Insert, and other tabs. Click File to open what's called the Backstage view. This area is designed for document-level tasks like creating, opening, printing, and of course, saving. When you're in the Backstage view, you're not editing text. You're managing the document itself. Next, locate and click Save. If the document has already been saved before, Word will update the existing file immediately, recording the latest changes in the same location. If this is the first time you're saving the document, clicking Save will prompt Word to ask where you want to put the file. You may also see Save As in this area. Save is for updating the current file, while Save As is used when you want a separate copy with a different name or in a different location. For our purpose here, choosing Save is the quickest way to lock in your work. Now choose a destination folder. You can store the file on your computer, like in Documents or on the desktop, or select a cloud location, such as your organization's online drive, if that's available to you. Pick a place you'll remember, ideally within a clear folder structure so the file is easy to find later. In the Save dialog, give your document a clear descriptive file name, something that tells you exactly what it is at a glance. The default file type, .docx, is the modern Word format, and is best for compatibility and features, so it's usually the right choice. After confirming the folder, the file name, and the type, click Save in the dialog box to finish. You'll know it worked when the document title bar shows the file name you chose. From now on, each time you save, Word updates that same file in that same location. It's a good habit to save regularly as you edit, especially before closing the document or switching tasks. If you ever need a separate version, say a draft and a final, use Save As to create a new copy without overwriting the original. That's it. With these clicks, your document is safely stored and ready whenever you need it.